Guys, welcome to a cold and rainy Washington DC. हम इस वक्त मौजूद हैं जॉर्ज टाउन के इलाके में, लेकिन हमारे पास एक बहुत ही warm personality है. Someone you all know, someone we all know and love. Over the past few years, she has come into our lives and made a huge splash on the Pakistani music scene. Guys, I'm talking about QB. QB, welcome to Zindagi 360.
Thank you.
अच्छा ये बताएं कि QB, we're all dying to know कि album कब आ रहा है?
हाँ, ये मैं तब से कह रही हूँ जब से I think I have started the music. लेकिन I think it's gonna take bit of a time because I want to put the best out there. I just don't want to do it for the sake of it, you know, to put the best material. And obviously, with for the past 2 years that I've been in the industry, I've been learning. I haven't gotten any personal training as far as the music is concerned. So I really want to learn from my experiences, whatever I'm doing. I'm experimenting. So I think it's going to take a bit more time, but I think it's going to be worth it. Yeah.
Well, हम लोग बहुत इसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. We're really hoping that you'll get it. क्योंकि ये बताएं कि आजकल लोग कह रहे हैं कि भाई पाकिस्तानी म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री में एक बहुत स्लो टाइम है. आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें हो नहीं रही. आपके लिए ये क्या तजर्बा रहा है? Have you found कि आजकल बहुत मुश्किल हालात हैं?
Yeah, पहले भी आपने मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन किया था. No, music industry is doing pretty well. There's so much talent. इतना म्यूजिक में स्कोप है कि even our neighbors literally take our help as far like the music, what we do. It's so divine, it's so pure, and it's so it's raw, and it's वो कहते हैं ना original. बहुत original stuff हम लोगों के पास है. Even the vocals, I would say, जो हमारे musicians हैं, जो हमारे vocalists हैं, हमारे lyricists, poetists, everyone.
क्योंकि ये भी बताएं कि आपने कहा कि आजकल शायद इतने बुरे हालात नहीं हैं, टैलेंट बहुत है पाकिस्तान में, लेकिन लोग कहते हैं कि प्लेटफॉर्म्स नहीं है नए आर्टिस्ट के लिए आने के लिए. इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
It also link up to whatever you do, how different you are, because इतना talent है, as I mentioned earlier, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है कि अपने आप को मनवाना. So for that you need to be very distinctive, you know, you have to be very different, you have to be kind of unique in terms of anything. उसके लिए yeah, and platform होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Coke Studio, I think, is one of the only platforms we have so far.
Coke Studio इतना बड़ा platform है, इतना ज़बरदस्त लोगों ने इस पे किया. You were one of the hits of Coke Studio when you were on there. आप खुद मतलब कि आपका शौक था इस तरफ आना, classical music की तरफ, और जो रिवायती music है, या आप what was, this is what I guess I want to ask, आपके iPod पे क्या होता था जब आप बड़ी हो रही थी? What was the music that you listened to?
Well, before even I started music, well, I never wanted to be a musician. I never wanted to be a singer. Well, I knew I could sing. I was limited to the bathroom singing. क्योंकि अब्बू आर्मी में है और मेरी अम्मी जो है वो बैंक में काम करती हैं. So there is like an strict professional and strict environment in the house. So मुझे कहते थे कि you just finish your school and you know शादी करो या फिर कोई ढंग की जॉब ढूंढो and just you know that 9 to 5 job you have to do. लेकिन I think it just happened. Right. It was supposed to happen. So when it happened, it just, you know, I went with the flow.
क्योंकि ये बताएं, आपने बात की कि आपके जो पेरेंट्स थे जब आप शुरू में गा रही थी in the shower or whatever, आप वो शायद कह रहे थे कि you know you should follow something serious, something professional. अब उनका क्या outlook है on your music, on your career? Are they more into the fact that you are becoming a huge star? या वो अभी भी कहते हैं कि भाई ज़रा सही कोई नौकरी करो सही की?
वो खुश थे, वो स्टार्ट में नहीं थे, लेकिन my mom has been quite supportive. So I think I'm quite blessed.
Well,
it was that's what I said. It was supposed to happen. So
it was
just
supposed
happened.
to happen. Yeah. We're all so glad that it did happen. Can you tell us this? How much time have you spent here in the States? आपने पाकिस्तान में कितना वक्त गुजारा है? और ये बताएं कि यहाँ आपका जो टाइम रहा है, उसने आपकी म्यूजिक पर कितना असर डाला?
I grew up in Pakistan. And I moved to US in 2005 or 6 because my family, they've been living here for a long time. जब मैं move किया यहाँ पे तो I always used to miss Pakistan because you know you grew up. I grew up in Pakistan, and my half of my teenage, and then my childhood. And the kind of environment we had, we used to like travel all the time, even when we were in Pakistan, because my dad was in the army, so he used to be posted like from one station to another.
So we're used to the moving.
Moving, yes. And it doesn't really bother me anymore now either, because there's so much traveling, still so much traveling, but I love it. Sometimes it gets to the nerves, but you know, it's part of what I do. But I think I prefer Pakistan. Prefer Pakistan.
But I mean, यहाँ भी माहौल ऐसे बन चुका है कि people know you here, and there's such a huge community here in the US. Do you feel like it's almost like another province? You know, अब जब यहाँ आ रही हैं?
Now, in New York, it seems like as if
York,
I'm in some part of Pakistan, because it happened like twice or thrice maybe. There was one time there was a girl in the subway. She ran up to me and she was like, "Are you QB?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And then a couple of days back, when I was at one of the malls here in Virginia, there was this one. There were two people. They were Israelis, and they were working at a mall, and they were staring at me, and they called me over, and they were like, "Are you QB?" I was like, "How do you know?"
Way.
And I was like, "We listen." They were like, "We listen to your music." I was like, "Come on, no."
Two Israelis in a mall in Virginia.
Like my brother was standing next to me, and I was like, "No, you told them something."
Yeah, exactly. Someone he's obviously paid them.
Yeah.
QB, tell us a little bit about yourself. Tell us a little bit about your hobbies. What do you do in your spare times? ज़ाहिर है आप music तो सुनती हैं, लेकिन for instance अभी आपकी plane ride होगी, plane ride पे आप क्या करेंगी?
सोंगी.
सबसे best hobby होती है सोना.
Oh yes. जब आप इतनी traveling कर रहे हो ना, और आपको time भी ज़्यादा ना मिल रहा हो सोने का, तो जब थोड़ा सा भी time मिलता है ना, any artist, if you ask them, they would be like, "What exactly do you do in your spare time?" First thing or the second thing, they would say, "We sleep."
Sleep, right.
Other than that, I read, I write, and that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. Well, cool. QB, thank you so much for joining us. आपने हमें time दिया, बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात करते हुए, and good luck on your future album and your current trip to Pakistan.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bless you.